And lastly, use generative AI to create your pricing promotions description. Thanks for watching. Hello, today we will explore a new Redwood feature in Order Management Release 25A that lets you apply promotions according to items on sales orders. Before Update 25A, promotions could only be configured based on attributes of the order line itself. Examples include conditions such as quantity of the item or the shipping address specified on the order line. With Update 25A, you can now use another item or its attributes to determine promotion eligibility. Based on the new capabilities, you can apply simple discounts that apply a fixed or a percentage discount on eligible items, or apply tiered discounts that increase based on quantity or amount thresholds. Alternatively, include free items that automatically include free products as part of the promotion. This feature enhances Code to Revenue Oracle Modern Best Practice. Code to Revenue Oracle Modern Best Practice outlines the process which helps enterprises manage their sales process right from opportunity identification to configuring quotes, pricing, and shipping the goods, or creating automatic subscriptions, collecting usage, billing, and revenue recognition. Let us get a brief overview of each step. Identify opportunity. Centralize proposal-ready account management with a unified dashboard that highlights open opportunities, reviews customer engagement history, and flags at-risk behaviors. Leverage AI to support sales rep by offering win probabilities and actionable recommendations to advance accounts through the sales cycle. Configure quote. Automatically generate a quote by compiling relevant account information, tailoring it with the ideal products, services, and subscriptions to align with the prospect's specific needs. Price and sell. Implement rules to ensure commercial viability with workflow-based approval for pricing and term exceptions, including billing, shipping, payment, scheduling, and service level requirements. Share quotes securely with customers and seamlessly convert them into sales orders upon finalizing negotiations. Record shipment. Upon sales order confirmation, fulfillment orders are automatically generated based on the product type. A centralized dashboard enables order managers to review confirmed orders, access detailed fulfillment data, and address delays effectively. Process subscriptions. Generate subscription contracts and automatically associate covered usage. Use centralized dashboards to access customer account data, review subscription details, and process amendments efficiently. Empower customers to manage their subscriptions via a self-service portal, which field service technicians gain real-time visibility into covered services. Collect usage. Subscription representatives track product usage, receive exception alerts, and address issues within a centralized workspace. AI models predict customer churn probabilities, enabling teams to proactively engage and retain at-risk accounts. Bill customer. Automate invoice generation to deliver timely and accurate invoices and statements based on usage data and billing calculations. Lastly, recognize revenue. Revenue managers independently report subscription-based revenue in compliance with ASC 606 and IFRS 15 standards. Revenue entries are automatically generated based on customer contract terms. This feature enhances the process step, price and sell, as it lets you apply promotions based on other items and their attributes. This feature provides the benefit flexibility. It allows businesses dynamic and strategies that go beyond. Let's talk about an example in which you have to configure a discount so that if a customer buys at least one modern standard door and two bay windows, then he gets 10% off on items in the modern standard windows category. First of all, set up a 10% discount to any purchase made from the modern windows category. Open the additional buy items column. Add specific rules to define conditions for windows and doors. Those rules set the condition to require a total of at least two items. Specify that the item. Additionally, define the unit of measure and for the doors rule to require a total buy item quantity of. Specify that the item must belong to doors category. Additionally, of measure to each. We'll see some more examples configured using this new feature. When a customer buys a coat and a matching scarf, they are eligible for a 50% on any item in the accessories category. This encourages customers to add complementary items to their purchase, increasing order promoting related product. If a customer purchases a mouse and keyboard together, they receive a 30% discount on a 24-inch monitor. This is a bundle offer designed to promote additional high-value purchases such as monitors by pairing them with essential items. Buying a laptop and monitor makes the customer eligible for 10% off on a leather laptop bag and 15% Ruby keyboard. This cross-selling strategy encourages customers to complete their setup with discounted accessories. Increase. When the customer spends at least $1,000 in hardware category, they get $5 off on each item in the order. This incentivizes bulk purchases and higher spending in a specific category while offering value across. There are a few scenarios that are not supported for this feature. Buy one coat, get 15% off on only two items from the accessories category. This feature does not support limiting the discount to 5 items. Get 60% off for every 2 pens purchased. Discounts do not multiply. Buying 4 pens will not result in a 120% discount on the books. To enable this feature, you must opt in to this feature in order management offering. This feature is no longer optional after 25C. Here are some tips and considerations to be taken into account after enabling this feature. Avoid using for every amount or for every quantity attributes when creating simple or tier discounts. These are not compatible with these discount types. Instead, use total by quantity or total by amount to aggregate and apply the discount appropriately. If your rule condition involves item quantity, always include a unit of measure. Example, pieces or kilograms. For conditions involving item amount, specify the currency. Example, USD or Euro. Use the validate button to check if the rule. This helps ensure the rule logic and attributes are aligned with system requirements. When a rule applies to a specific item, the discount is only applied to order lines containing that item. For example, if a sales order has 5 lines and lines 1, 3, and 5 include the specified item, the discount will only apply to those lines. When the rule applies to all items, the discount is applied in the sales order, regardless of the items listed. To use this feature, the users should be assigned job roles having the following privileges: manage draft pricing promotions, manage pricing promotions, view pricing promotions, activate pricing promotions, manage dynamic rules, manage HCM rules, and lastly, manage file import and export. Thanks for watching. Hello, today we will explore a new Redwood feature in Order Management Release 25A that lets you create promotions that add free items. This feature of Oracle pricing allows businesses to set up promotions in which customers can receive a free item when purchasing a qualifying product. Examples include offers such as buy one, get one free, or buy 2 items from a category and get another item for free. Once a sales order is saved in Oracle Order Management, the system will automatically add free items to the order as a new order line. When creating a promotion line, use the promotion item benefit type to define the details of the free item. This includes specifying the item, its quantity, unit of measure, and the value of the item. You can include more than one free item in a promotion by creating multiple benefits. This feature enhances quote to revenue or practice. Quote to revenue, Oracle Modern Best Practice, outlines the process which helps enterprises manage their sales process right from opportunity identification to configuring quotes, pricing, and shipping the goods, or creating automatic subscriptions, collecting usage, billing, and revenue recognition. Let us get a brief overview of each step. Identify opportunity. Centralize proposal-ready account management with a unified dashboard that highlights open opportunities. Review customer engagement history and flags at-risk behaviors. Leverage AI to support sales reps by offering win probabilities and actionable recommendations to advance accounts through the sales cycle. Configure quote. Automatically generate a quote by compiling relevant account information, tailoring it with ideal products, services, and subscriptions to align with the prospect's specific needs. Price and sell. Implement rules to ensure commercial viability with workflow-based approval for pricing and term exceptions, including billing, shipping, payment, scheduling, and service level requirements. Share quotes securely with customers and seamlessly convert them into sales orders upon finalizing negotiations. Record shipment. Upon sales order confirmation, fulfillment orders are automatically based on the product type. A center enables order manager confirmed orders and effectively process subscription. Subscription can't automatically associate. Use centralized dashboards to access customer review subscription details and process amendments efficiently. Empower customers to manage their subscriptions via a self-service portal. Collect usage. Subscription representatives track product usage, receive exception alert, and use within a centralized workspace. AI models predict customer churn probabilities, enabling teams to proactively engage and retain. Bill customer. Automate invoice generation to deliver timely and accurate invoices and statements based on usage data and billing calculations. Recognize revenue. Revenue managers independently report subscription-based revenue in compliance with ASC 606 and 15 standards. Revenue entries are automatically generated based on customer contract terms. This is the process step, price and sell, as it lets you create promotions that can add free items on sales orders. Let's talk about the business benefits. Free items can encourage customers to purchase more to qualify for the promotion, driving higher sales volumes. Automated addition of free items to orders ensures efficiency, the risk of errors in manual entry, saving time and resources. Multiple free item benefits allow for creative, customizable promotions that can appeal to various and needs. Let's discuss an example in which promotion including giving a free tote bag with every sales. Navigate to the pricing administration work area promotion. Click add benefit and choose promotion item to set up the free item benefit. Enter the benefit name, free tote bag. The benefit type is automatically set to free promotion item and is read only. Then select the item being offered for free, quantity, unit of measure, free item value, and currency. And lastly, click. Now let's see a case where a tote bag is offered only when the order total reaches 1,000. Click Add under the Attribute Eligibility condition. In the eligibility, add the conditions to ensure the tote bag is only given away when the order total is $1,000 or more in USD. Add the value for attributes as shown. Save, and order management will automatically include the tote bag in any order with a total value of $1,000 or more. Now let's see a case in which a tote bag is offered with 3+ outerwear items. As shown, if a customer purchases a total quantity of 3 or more items from the outerwear category, they will qualify for a free tote bag. However, regardless of how many items they buy beyond the 3-item minimum, they will only receive one free tote bag. Let's see another example in which, on a purchase of one glorious bouquet, one bonsai, or one artisanal candle set, the customer receives a free tote bag. Buy any 3 of these items and get free tote bags. Click Add and define the rule. For every quantity that equals 1, the item is one of the following values: glorious bouquet, or the unit of measure is of each. There is a limitation while defining. For every quantity, for every amount, specify only one group of additional buy items or item categories. For example, for every 5 items from the candles, bath products, or floral bouquet, cannot mix different quantities for the items in the same. In this example, use quantity attribute to apply the. For example, receive for every 4 lavender purchased. Buy 4 candles, get 1 box. Buy 8, get 2 boxes, and so on. Rule can be defined as for every quantity equals 4, the item is one of lavender candle and the unit of measure is one of each. To set up a promotion where a free item is given for every certain number of items purchased from a specific category, use the Add a Category option. For example, promotion for every 3 items bought from outerwear category, receive a free pair of gloves. Customers who buy multiple items from the category will receive additional free items. If a customer buys 6 items, they get 2 pair of gloves, and if they buy 8 items, they still receive 2 pair of gloves, encouraging higher sales volumes. This strategy boosts sales while providing customers with valuable incentives, driving more purchases in the targeted category. To enable this feature, you must opt in to the Featured in Order Management offering. This feature is no longer optional after 25C. Free items in promotions do not count toward eligibility requirements, such as minimum quantities or amounts. They can unconditionally, allowing businesses to provide gifts or promotional items without tying them to purchase conditions. Clear separation between eligibility rules and free item offers. To use this feature, the users should be assigned job roles having the following privileges: manage draft pricing promotions, manage pricing promotions, view pricing